Buying a home in Sarnia. You probably have a dream house in your mind, but how do you turn that dream into reality without breaking the bank? Let's talk about prioritizing your home wish list. At Blue Coast Realty, we specialize in helping home buyers and sellers navigate the Sarnia Lambton housing market. Whether you are buying a home in Sarnia for the first time or you're upgrading to your next property, our team is here to guide you with expert advice with local insights. When searching for a home, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of dream features. Granite countertops, massive backyard, a home with a view. But in today's competitive Ontario real estate market, prioritizing your needs over want is key. Start by focusing on must-haves, the right number of bedrooms and bathrooms, a location that fits your lifestyle, and a price that aligns with your budget. Remember, Sarnia Lambton housing market is diverse. It offers everything from waterfront homes to a family-friendly neighborhoods. The reality though, some compromise may be needed. With fluctuating prices and limited inventory in Sarnia real estate market, being flexible can help you find a home that meets most of your needs while staying within your budget. That's where working with a real estate expert like me makes all the difference. Blue Coast Realty has the local knowledge to help you navigate market trends, negotiate the best price, and find a home that truly fits your lifestyle. Looking to buy or sell a home in Canada? Whether you need guidance on the Sarnia real estate market or expert tips on prioritizing your home search, Blue Coast Realty is here to help. For tailored advice and latest market insights, reach out to Blue Coast Realty today.